Meet the starting unit from the both squads. First, from the Philippine International College, Lady Commanders. Starting at center, number 4, Janine Mesa. At forward, number 12, Jolly Joy Oronan. Another forward, number 18, Micaela Tolosa. Another forward, number 19, Desiree Malianes. And guard number 29, Kimberly Banabana. Head coach for the Lady Commanders is Eric John Manaya, with assistant coach Sunday Salvacion. And now let's meet the starters from your Rizal Technological University, Lady Thunders. Starting at shooting guard, number 6, Justin Sangre. Another guard, number 7, Rica Joy Torres. At center, number 14, Andrea Herrera. At forward, number 22, Pamela De Guzman. And as well forward, number 20, Erica Timot. Head coach for the Lady Thunders is Julian Bagares. Assistant coach Dennis Pagligaran. Our officials for this matchup is crew chief Beng Sabanyo. First referee Edward Bermudo. And number 2, Clarence Aguilar.
And ayun na po, pinakilala ang ating mga starting 5 for both teams. And the buzzer has sound, it means it's now game time para sa ating second game for our 4-game full schedule ng Union Sports League, the RTU Lady Thunders going up against the PIC Lady Comandas. And the first attempt for the Lady Comandas, sablay yung kanilang 3-point attempt. And again, napakilala naman yung ating game official. We have our crew chief, Beng Sakino. Our umpire 1, Edgar Bermedo. And of course, our umpire 2 natin si Clarence Aguilar. And the first 2 points coming from the RTU in this ball game. RTU won yesterday against Our Lady of Fatima University. Samantalang itong PIC naman, sila ang naging biktima ng PCCR kung saan they was stopped during the first quarter. Maganda nila to, pero hindi nila kayang i-maintain yung momentum hanggang i-maintain yung game nila hanggang fourth quarter. And again, basketball is not a quarter game. It's a full 40-minute ball game. At minsan, kailangan pang mag-extra minute to take the win. At ito si Bana. Ito yung mga highly mentioned name natin. Sila Provetsado, si Bana. And she loses the handle. And of course, their main girl dito, ang magiging main girl nila is gonna be number 18, itong si Micaela Tolosa. At number 12, itong si Jenny Joy Oranan. Samantalang dito naman sa PCU, of course, our best player yesterday was number 14, Lay Andrea Herrera, na talagang pinakita sa atin how she plays inside and out. Napakaganda ng performance itong batang to yesterday. Lady Comandas calling for a head play. Malianes, dinala kay Tolosa. And here's that drive by Oronan. Short. Good box out by Herrera against Mesa. Here's number 22, Maria de Guzman. Naagawan siya rito. Here's Bana. Babawi sa likod pero hindi natuluyan. Bana, Tolosa. Dito Malianes. Bana, pegging that 3. He goes to her left. A bit short. Tapigan ng bola. That's Tachi Herrera. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock to make an attempt. Ronan! Kaboom on her first three-point attempt. That's Jenny Joy or JJ Oronan rather. There'll be 18 seconds on the shot clock. De Guzman short on that long attempt. He was hit by a knee. Isa may hindi maganda yung pagkakabagsak doon ni number 20, si Erica May Timog. Parang natuhod siya no? 6 and 16 remaining. And Timog will be replaced here by Angelica Jane Somo. AJ. Sangre mula sa Encantadia. Bigay kay Torres. Torres to Somo. And I think that was a good foul because Herrera libre and she converted that basket. And again, big shout out to all the dads out there. Happy Father's Day po sa inyo. Sabi nga, may kasabihan nga, it's easy to be a dad, but it's hard to be a father. So araw natin ngayon mga tatay, walang munang maglalaba at mamamlansya. Tayo ang siga ng bahay ngayon Manood lang ng basketball, gawin ang gustong gawin. At mamayang alauna ng madaling araw, simulan na ang pagbababad para bukas, magkukusot na lang. Herrera saving that ball to Torres! Good trail job. Coming from Rica Joy, RJ Torres. Pina-shortcut ko yung pangalan nila. Bana to Mesa. Bana. Tolosa. Good line. Somo on the pass. Break. At ito yung paborito ng RTU. Lalo na when they are getting their long rebound. After long rebound, sigurado itatakbo nila yan. Malyanes. And Mesa caught hanging around at that shaded area. She will be called 3 seconds violation. At si Bana ipapahinga muna rito. Kasabay ni Mesa at 3-girl substitution naman para kay Coach Goy Bagares ng PCU. Pacheco. Si Pacheco, number 17, kanina pa nasa loob. Number 21, si Contiveros and Pacheco. Nagparamdam kagad dito, Alia Nicole with her first 2 points. At syempre, itong spark plug. The spark plug of the RTU Lady Thunders, number 6, Justin K. Hindi, si number 8 pala, Jean Rain. And we're back to the ball game. Our score is 8-3, a 5-point lead by the Lady Thunders. There will be 9 seconds remaining to shoot. That shot, and there will be a foul. Bianca Premista. ito si Bianca, kahapon din talagang hard worker ito eh. Kaya lang di talaga rin makahulog. At isa rin ito sa abangan natin, of course, si Jessa Imbuenga, ang kanilang matatawag natin na enforcer, no? Sa guard position. Talagang ito yung sinasabi kong bangga ng PIC. And Oronan will have her first rest replaced by Lyra Monega. Casella, Pacheco. Swings it to Conteveros. She was 2 out of 4 yesterday, 50% sa 3-point field goal. And Conteveros, 0-2 right now. And look at Casella with that lefty looping shot. And Somo stealing that basketball. Push it to Herrera. Herrera to Casella. Casella on the drive. What a move. Casella with that Euro step. Going to the right, shifting to the left, converting a basket. There's the PIC. Lady Comandas. Remista. They go to the corner. 3-point attempt. Short. Pacheco. Tuloy-tuloy. Si Pacheco. 4-on-2 situation. Pacheco. She will be fouled by number 18. Micaela Tolosa.
Foul number 18. That is first personal foul for Micaela Tolosa. 3 for the Lady Comandas.
At si Imbuenga. Agang papalitan dito. At eto na. Provetsado. For seeing action for the first time. At si Paragas naman was called on the scorer's table. Reporting to the scorer's table to have her first appearance dito sa ating game. Spichadi para kay Pacheco. Herrera will be replaced by Paragas. Si Paragas, maganda rin ang nilaro yesterday. Graciel Angeline Paragas stop being the one of the great defender. And Presmita turnover on her. At nanay, nakita ko yung sarili ko sa camera. Oh. Kasama ko yung mga nasa table official kanina. Oh. Nanay, artista na po ako. Natatanaw na ako sa TV. Casella, ball movement for RTU. Jumper, Pacheco, miss. Casella working hard to keep that ball alive. Here's the half-court trap, no? Ito talaga yung kanilang ginawa rin yesterday with Olpu. And that produced a turnover. Babalik ang bola sa RTU. And of course, abangan ninyo mamaya yung ating mga remaining games. It's gonna be the debuting De La Salle University. Andito na ibang players ng DLSU. At nandito na rin ang Olpu. Kita natin yung ibang other players of Olpu. Dumating na rin sa ating venue. At syempre, yung ating men game, the battle in the air. It's the Lady Blue Eagles. And that is a good pass break. Conteveros finding Pacheco, and Pacheco with her 4 points now in this ball game. And our score is 13-4. 13-4, Ayusin lang ating scoreboard, And that will end our first